Wow, what a lovely day. I wonder what's happening in my channel. Let's see. Wow, the most popular video of my channel is Lego City My City 2. What a coincidence. Anyway, let's check this video. What the hell? Why are there so many comments about this is not working? Let's see about this. Where is Aptoid? Wait, why there is no Lego City My City 2 in Aptoid? I wonder if it is in Play Store. Wait, what the fuck? What the fuck? Why can't I download from Play Store? Why? It's the same version as before. It's the same version from 2019. Then why? What the fuck? So hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, your Worlds of Gamer friends. So today we're going to watch how to download Lego City My City 2. This is the second video I have published about this. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. Come on. Let's go. So first of all, you need to go to the description or the comment section of this video. You'll see a link there. Click that link. You'll forward it to the download link of the app. After downloading Lego City My City 2, you have to download Z-Archiver from Play Store. If you have it, then open it. After opening Z-Archiver, you have to go to the download folder of your phone. After going to the download folder, you will see Lego City My City 2 X APK. You will just normally click it and install it like I did it in this video. After installing it, you will see there's an OBB file uploading in your Android folder. After this, you will just simply open the Lego City My City 2 app and you will see the Lego City My City 2 app is running smoothly in my phone and I have given the gameplay of it, so you don't say in this comment section, oh, this doesn't work, man, this doesn't work. Hey, stupid, this works. There's a second way to install it. If you see that after installing it, it doesn't work, or after opening the app, it says it doesn't have the OBB file of this app, then you just simply go to the download folder and click the Lego City My City 2 app. It will say view option. After opening the view option, you will see there's an Android folder. After going to the Android folder, there's an OBB folder. After opening it, there's an com.lego city my city 2 folder. After opening it, it will see an OBB file. You will just have to simply copy this file and paste it on the Android OBB files. And this is it. If you follow my steps in this video, then you have successfully downloaded my Lego City My City 2. If you didn't, then you will get no result, and don't comment my section that it doesn't work. It does work. I've given you the video and proof that it does work. So wrap it up and throw it in the dustbin of my video. Sorry, I have gone out of context, but thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. And